Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the Committee of Second Borobudur International Symposium on Science and Technology 2020 by online. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity today to present my research entitled Break Time Reduction during Kick Handling Operation by applying drill methods. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bambang Yudo. I am lecturer of Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akademika Cepu. This research was written by three authors. The first author is me, Bambang Yudo Sulanta. Second author is Mr. Ahmad Sofan, and the last author is Mr. Didin Hairudin. Before we continue to the main presentation today, I would like to mention the outline of my presentation. There are 6 parts of main topic in my presentations. First, research background and objective. Second, kick handling and well control. Third, actual kick handling in exploration well X. Fourth, exploration well X kick handling analysis. Fifth, exploration well X handling recommendation. And the last, conclusions. Okay, we talk about research background and objective. On the background today is oil price volatility, so that we need efficient method and well control. We will focus to maintain the problem in mineral apparatus, gas and commodities, especially in well control. The objective of this research are well control, recommendation and procedures. Additional literature for well control method selection and further well control research reference. Next topic that I will describe is about a cake and well control. In this topic, we will talk about what is the vision of the cake, the type of cake fluids, cause of cakes, cake indications, well control, and the last is well control type. Okay, I will start from the definition of cake. Cake is an infusion of unwanted formation fluid from within the formation layer to the inside of the borehole. The cake is usually water, gas, or oil. Cake occurs when gas suddenly enters the wellbore because the hydrostatic pressure is less than the formation pressure. There are several signs of indication of cake. The one of indication of cake is pit gain, increase in pit volume. Again, in the total pit volume at that surface when there are no material being added at the surface, indicated either of an influx of formation fluid into the wellbore or the expansion of gas in the annulus. For solve the cake's problem, we need well control, and there are some type of well control that we can use in this case. For the well control type, we use drill method and engineer method in this case. The procedure and actual handling cake can be shown in this slide, and the total time during doing cake handling procedure is 13.5 hours. We need some step to handling cake as standard operating procedure with certain time needed when the fish is checked flow and set in well. Need an half hours or 30 minutes to finish this process. And this is the summary of kilmat mixing. The activity of method 1 is buried addition with duration 10.7 hours. The activity of method 2 is buried addition plus mix and replace with duration 3 hours. And the last from method 3 The activity is mix and replace plus Clarit edition with duration 4.7 hours. So the total hours needed about 80.4 hours. And this is the circulation timetable. For drill method, circulation needed 1.4 hours, and engineer method, circulation needed 0.8 hours. As we can compare that the engineer method is faster than drill method in circulation time. On the kick handling time, consideration for drill method is 4.3 hours, and engineer method is 4.3 hours. And this is the graph of produce annular pressure between drill method and engineer method. The engineer method have annular pressure that lower than a driller method. And this is the graph of produce annular pressure between drill method and engineer method. The engineer method have annular pressure that lower than driller method. The problem can be not occur when we use this recommendation as mentioned in the slide. For kick handling recommendation and drill method, there are 4 points that we discussed. First, kick handling time. Second, produce annular pressure. Third, operation complexity. And the last, all problems. Next is the drill method simulation. This graphic in the annular pressure at surface and subannular and the highest pressure occur when the kick reaches at the top. Annular pressure is not problem because the pressure is still lower than fracture pressure. And this the formation breakdown pressure from drill method simulation. In this case, the formation is safe because the located between pore pressure and fracture pressure, as shown by the gray line in the formation breakdown pressure graphs. The influx volume will increase as the influx migration time. Influx will increase until the top of surface and VP decline when the influx come out from the well. This is maximum annular pressure graphic. The annular pressure is still safe because or above formation pressure zero line and below casing C60 first line. Circulation pressure profile as shown in the table, the blue line. Finally, we have recommendation result that the efficiency of rake hours and cost saving recommendation are 9.2 hours and 2,300 US dollars. For the conclusion from this paper is first, kick handling and preparation in exploration well is not optimum yet according the handle time, number or trial arrangement. Second, mix and replace becomes the fastest kill mud mixing method despite of quite large capacity in the tank needed. The method become the most precise method to control the kick in explosion well X since the responsiveness of kick handling. The pressure result from its circulation will not fracture the formation and operation complexity that is simpler than engineer method. The method we save the kick handling time until 9.2 hours equal 2,300 US dollar of the cost. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.